Randy Cabasag is the newscaster. Si Randy Cabasag, taga-upo. Facebook ID. My Facebook ID is there and my profile. You can see it, my Instagram, my Patreon. You can see there. Yeah, my son is that's only my son. Actually, we wake up early because we sleep early last night. I don't know because I'm so tired. Hello, Hars, Mother Vlogging. Hi, Hars. Mahor, hello. Don't give your information out. It's dangerous. Okay. Thank you, Jerry's Life. No, I only entered in paper is good, but not so bad. Si Randy Kabasag. Oo. But I don't know. He's a former counselor. Last time. I don't know now. But now it's not a counselor. You are a great person, I can tell, yes. Because I'm a single mother. Single mother is just like a hero for me. I hope everyone is going good with you. Thank you, Jervis Live. Hello, hair. Oh, Julia. To me, I don't understand that a lot. Oh my gosh. Eki, eki. Guys, join my membership and also I have there my super chat, super thanks. Rana G. Hi, Jan. How are you? I'm fine. Actually, I go live in here at the time of 10 p.m. but I sleep early so I glad now to say hi. Hello everyone to my new viewers. And also please subscribe. Thank you. Saan ka ba ngayon, Amazon Explorer? Nanonood na sa ibang bansa ka? Hello, shout out everyone. Quintero, what time is it? Victor Quintero. Philippine time is 5:55, almost 6. Canada. Ay, shout out from Canada. You work there in Canada? O you hapon dito with pa lang? Ah, Wednesday. Dito Thursday na. Kasi after this live, we will prepare for going school from Makmak. Seems like there are a lot of single mother in Philippines. Why? Because most of Filipinos here are responsible. That's why we broke up early to not to be stressed in our life. James Mosley, hello pretty lady. Hello James Mosley, watching from? You do online your husband Thursday 16 weeks. What's that? Same time tayo host kaso Tuesday. Ah, okay. Iba lang ng araw. No, I don't have husband. It's 5:05 in US, Texas. Hello, Victor Quintero, watching from Texas. You don't have, and your husband doesn't say anything. I said I don't have husband. I'm a single mother. You do online. We broke up last 2022. I'm single around 2 years, almost 3 years. Because he left us with my son because he has another girl. Sige ho, sige tayo sa patambay. Okay, MT Amazon, I hope na manood ka next time on live. Kasi mostly nagla-live ako maggabi. It's 10 o'clock in the evening. 10, 11.